morning, you guys. It is 8:18 this morning. We had to wake up super early because we got activities planned for the day, and the ride leaves at 8:30. Bay's already downstairs eating. I couldn't be bothered to eat because I gotta slay my face. That's my outfit. I'm wearing a white tube dress. I'm gonna do an outfit of the day downstairs, and he can do it for me. So I'm wearing a tube dress. It's cute. What are you wearing, babes?
You know, I'm keeping it classy, regular beach wear. I don't know, the details, all white.
All white?
The hat right there. Just relax.
Just relax? Okay, we like. Looking dapper.
Yeah.
Good evening. Yeah, just nothing. Mujeres. Oh, and by the way, the tickets for this tour was $112 per person. $112 per person. So we'll see if it's worth it and let you guys know. So what are we doing now, babes? We're now on the boat. Yes.
Yeah. It's gonna be some adventure, man.
Yeah. We're gonna do the snorkeling. I'm more excited for the parasailing. I'm more excited for
I want to experience. I want to
the whole thing.
The whole thing.
Yeah. So some kind of
I think it's not kind of the main thing.
yeah.
To try.
The people already on their boat over there. There's several boats. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Definitely when I come, this is a once in a lifetime kind of thing. So when I come back here, I don't know if I'm gonna do this again. Or even come back to Cancun. Go somewhere else. Experience more life. And hopefully we can bring a Mary then.
Tony,
So the first activity is snorkeling. The music is loud. We're about to go snorkeling. I don't know how to swim that well to even say I know how to swim. So we're gonna see how this goes. My glasses. It's too bright. We're gonna see how the snorkeling situation goes. We got life jackets, so I can't die, right? So it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. We're gonna get the what do they call this, babe? What do they call these shoes? Paddle shoes. So we're gonna use those. And he said I just need to do my leg in the water like that really strong, and I should be good because I have the life jacket. So we should see. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm not taking my phone down in the water, so I'm not gonna be filming snorkeling. But we'll see if I do it or not.
La actividad del snorkeling, chicos. La gente que sabe nadar muy bien, bienvenidos, que lo disfruten, lo vamos a disfrutar. La gente que no sabe nadar bien o no sabe nadar, por favor, decidan en la parte de atrás cuando tiremos al agua si realmente van a hacer con nosotros la media milla, que son 500 a 600 metros, que vamos a nadar a lo largo del arrecife. ¿De acuerdo? El arrecife está muy bonito. The reef is so pretty. I like you girls. Pretty. Really. Bien bonito el arrecife. How deep is the reef? It's not too deep. It's like a 12 feet. Alright? But it's 35 and 45 minutes on the water. Right? Es como 35, 45 minutos en el agua. ¿De acuerdo? No importa el diseño, nada más que importa el número.
I am scared because
si te quedan,
I know how to swim a little bit, but not 12 feet.
Da una 7, 9.
I hope I don't freak out.
O Miguel,
Yeah, no,
para
I
acá la
know.
señorita de oro,
That's the best
te dije
part.
que no iba a ir, ya quiere ir. Ok,
Yeah.
bueno,
No, but
recuerden,
we have to
estamos para servirles y ayudarles en el agua.
Yeah,
No
never.
me puedo ser responsable de los que 100% no saben nadar. No me echen la
But the
culpa
thing
si
is that when
tragan
you
agua.
can't put your
My
legs
friends,
down, is the part
I
where you
know,
freak
I'm
out,
responsible
you know?
with it.
But we have this, so
The
we
only
float.
water is with me.
And you don't
I'm
need to
your
really
tour guide,
breathe
I know.
because you have
But
that.
remember, honestly, the height is Well, I never send the
So we're heading back. We have food to eat, and so now we're heading to a beach. Apparently. I don't even know what's going on. Gracias, mucho gracias.
I saw those 42.
What?
I saw those 42.
Who's up for some?
What do you want,
What do you want, babes?
We were bracelets.
Oh. Yeah. Head it up. The small Spanish that I know, I've been talking it. I'm so proud of myself.
It's really good.
Huh? Yeah? I know some Spanish. Baby, I told you I knew some Spanish. Some. Una margarita bebida. Bebida means drink. I'm so excited for this beach. It's gonna be good. Yes, of course. We're covering the whole family.
If you don't get something to you.
No, I'll be fine. Come on. Wait. I'm the crybaby, babes. Take off your slippers. Easier. There were three in the feed in the leader one. Yes. Clean water. Huh? Everything is business, man. Doesn't have time for dilly dallying. So this is the beach on Isla Mujeres. It's supposed to be one of the nicest beach in the world. So they said it was gonna be like number 9. I don't know. We're about to find out. The waves are not too high. It's easier to play in. Yeah, it is clean.
This one sounds better.
Yeah.
Not that one we went to. That one was definitely, I don't want to say it,
That was nasty. But I'm sure this is too salty. Even though it looks clean, it's salty. I'm just saying. Bye-bye, Isla Mujeres. It was fun. Michael Phelps logging out. Let me tell them how good of a swimmer I am.
Michael Phelps. All right.
Michael Phelps logging out.
If you said so, man.
But tell them
I
now.
believe you. Oh, yeah, you're a good swimmer.
Don't mention the part where I almost drowned snorkeling.
You just told me to give you a good
You know,
give
people
you
always
some good
beg me for
comments,
good
but now,
news.
God.
Did you have fun at the beach?
Oh yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
You can stay that way. I could take a.
Did you have fun at the
Oh yeah, that was fun. That was
Yeah?
good. Yeah, we had a good time.
beach? Are we gonna come back here? We're gonna go eat some dinner, and then we'll figure out the rest of the night. Okay. Let's see you guys later. I'm gonna make a reservation for the restaurant for tomorrow's dinner because they're posh and lavish like that. Hola, mis amores. This place is not half bad. If I had to score it on a 5, I'll probably give it a solid 3.5, 3.8 over 5. But babe, do you know that I give this place a 3.8 over 5? Right? It's not a 4 over 5. You know that, right? Yeah. They could do better. They could do so much better. So many things they could do better. But that's my story. See you guys later.
Gracias. Thank you.